Between the island of Lembe and mainland Sulawesi lies the sea's strangest square mile. Emerging from the seafloor rises one of the ocean's most hideous and gruesome predators. A giant segmented worm, the bobbit grows to 3 meters long. The worm lurks just below the surface until a fish passes, and then it strikes. This nocturnal horror has no eyes and no brain, but it's got evil, bear-trap jaws. Another fish is unaware of the gruesome bobbit just behind. First strike, and the worm's powerful pincer jaws have slashed a huge gouge from its side. Appearing stunned, the fish strays back towards the bobbit, which makes no mistake second time, and drags its victim down into its lair. From its concealment, the hairy frogfish flicks its lure to fish for prey. This predator is a master of camouflage. It's the smaller one that tries its luck, though takes on far more than even its huge mouth can swallow. Small fish shelter among the poisonous spines of black urchins. But close alongside, an elongated predator lurks, with a living food larder on its doorstep. The fish don't seem aware of the stalking assassin. Its smooth, unhurried strike doesn't even disturb the others in the shoal. In this strange square mile are mysteries that man has still to unravel, such as the messages of the cuttlefish. Hidden eyes watch every move. Sometimes the only safety lies in invisibility. Others find security in numbers, or among the poisonous tentacles of a host anemone. Male frogfish are attracted to the strong chemical signals that the female emits when she's ready to lay her eggs. Every touch and contact is stimulus to release the tens of thousands of eggs that she's carrying in her distended belly. The camera lights have drawn in a small shoal of fish. The frogfish seizes the opportunity to gorge itself on this unexpected feast, snatching the darting silver prey with what is undoubtedly the fastest mouth in the sea. Its belly distends with each fish it catches, the still alive victims twitching inside it. Against all the odds, another new life emerges into the planet's strangest square mile of ocean. The hatchling flamboyant cuttlefish pushes its way through the soft egg sac. The moment it settles, it starts hunting and feeding. The cycle of life on the Lembe seafloor is complete.